Close your eyes and imagine. You are walking through a beautiful meadow. The sun is shining brightly and the birds are singing. You feel a deep sense of peace and tranquility. You look around and see that you are surrounded by love and light, feeling connected to all of creation. So, now you are in the fifth dimension. The place of pure magic and wonder, where anything is possible. You know that you are here for a purpose and that you are making a difference in the world. Now open your eyes, and let's start this journey into the fifth dimension. The fifth dimension, from a spiritual perspective, is a profound state of consciousness that beckons you to transcend the confines of ordinary reality. It represents a monumental shift from the limitations of the third and fourth dimensions into a realm where unity, love, and expanded awareness reign supreme. In the fifth dimension, you can instantly manifest your thoughts and desires. This is because your thoughts and vibrations are directly connected to your reality. When you have a clear vision of what you want, and you vibrate at a high frequency, the universe will bring it to you. For example, let's say you want a new house. You could start by visualizing yourself living in your dream home, the layout of the house, the furniture, and the view from the window. You can also feel the emotions that you would feel if you were already living there: joy, excitement, and gratitude. Once you have a clear vision of what you want, you can start to vibrate at a frequency that matches that vision. You can do this by practicing gratitude, forgiveness, meditation, spending time in nature, and surround yourself with positive people. As you raise your vibration, you will begin to attract opportunities and synchronicities that will lead you to your desired outcome. You may find a real estate agent who specializes in the type of house you want, and may find a loan officer who can give you a good interest rate. Or, you may even inherit money from a family member. Whatever the specific path may be, the universe will conspire to help you achieve your desires when you are vibrating at a high frequency. The fifth dimension heralds a significant shift in your consciousness, and invites you to move beyond the limitations of ego-driven thinking, duality, and separation, encouraging you to embrace the interconnectedness of all life. This shift entails recognizing that you are not isolated beings, but integral threads in the cosmic dimension. You have been wanting a new job that pays more money and is more fulfilling. You start by visualizing yourself in this new job, and see yourself walking into the office, greeting your colleagues, and starting your day. You feel the excitement, the fulfillment, and the sense of accomplishment. You start to feel the emotions that you would feel if you already had this job. You feel confident, competent, capable, and exactly where you are supposed to be. As you are visualizing and feeling the emotions, you tell yourself that you are worthy of this job. You believe that you are capable of doing the job, and that you will be successful. You continue to focus on your thoughts and feelings for several weeks. Be patient and trust that the universe is working to bring your desire to you. One day, you receive a call from a recruiter about a job that is perfect for you. The job pays more money and is more fulfilling than your current job. You are excited to interview for the job, and finally your desire came true, and you get the job. You are grateful for the new job, and for the universe for bringing it to you. You are living proof that manifestation is possible. In the fifth dimension, telepathic communication is common. It is the ability to communicate with others without using words, a form of mind-to-mind communication. This is because we are all connected on a deep level. We are all part of one and the same consciousness. To communicate telepathically, you need to focus on the person you want to communicate with. You can visualize them in your mind, or you can simply think of their name. Once you are connected, you can start to send them messages. Your messages can be in the form of thoughts, images, or feelings. You can also send them physical sensations, such as a touch on the shoulder or a hug. At first, it may take some practice to communicate telepathically. But the more you do it, the easier it will become. At the heart of this dimension lies an all-encompassing love, a love that transcends conditions and expectations. This love extends not only to fellow humans, but to all sentient beings and the universe itself. It fosters unity, compassion, and an unwavering sense of interconnectedness. You can heal yourself and others with your thoughts in the fifth dimension. This is because your thoughts and vibrations have a direct impact on your physical, emotional, and spiritual health. When you have positive thoughts and vibrations, your body is able to heal itself more quickly. When you have negative thoughts and vibrations, your body is more susceptible to illness and disease. To heal yourself with your thoughts, you need to focus on the area of your body that needs healing. You can visualize the area being healed, or you can simply send it love and light. You can also use your thoughts to heal others. To do this, you need to get their permission first. Once they have given you permission, you can start to send them healing energy. You can visualize the area of their body being healed, or you can simply send them love and light. It is important to note that healing with your thoughts is not a magic bullet. It takes time and effort to learn how to do it effectively. However, it is a powerful tool that can be used to improve your own health and the health of others. During your journey in the fifth dimension, you have a deep understanding of your life purpose. You know why you are here on Earth, and you are living in alignment with that purpose. Your life purpose is your unique reason for being, that you are here to do to make the world a better place. When you are living in alignment with your life purpose, you feel fulfilled and satisfied. You know that you are making a difference in the world. To discover your life purpose, you need to spend time reflecting on your values, your talents, and your passions. You need to be open to receiving guidance from your higher self and from the divine. Once you have discovered your life purpose, you can start to live in alignment with it, by making choices that are in line with your values, and by using your talents and passions to serve others. To manifest your dreams and desires, you need to be clear about what you want, and you need to vibrate at a frequency that matches that desire. Write down your desires in a journal, or by creating a vision board. You can also visualize yourself having your desires already fulfilled. To vibrate at a frequency that matches your desires, you can practice gratitude, forgiveness, and meditation. You can also spend time in nature and surround yourself with positive people. As you raise your vibration, you will begin to attract opportunities and synchronicities that will lead you to your desired outcome. You may find the resources you need to achieve your goal. You may find people who are willing to help you. Or, you may even have a sudden breakthrough or epiphany. Whatever the specific path may be, the universe will conspire to help you achieve your desires, when you are vibrating at a high frequency. In the fifth dimension, you are constantly surrounded by love and light. This is because it is a place of unconditional love and light, and there is no darkness or negativity in here. When you are in this dimension, you feel a deep sense of peace and joy. You feel loved and accepted for who you are, and connected to all other beings on a deep level. You may also experience physical sensations of love and light, such as a warm glow around your heart, or a feeling of lightness in your body. Being constantly surrounded by love and light is one of the most wonderful aspects of living in this dimension. It is a feeling that is beyond words to describe. Now, you are able to manifest your dreams and desires with ease. This is because the fifth dimension is a place of pure creation. The journey of embracing the fifth dimension is a profound odyssey of self-discovery, transformation, and awakening. It invites you to transcend the limitations of your current reality and step into a new paradigm of existence, a reality shaped by love, unity, mindfulness, conscious creation, and interconnectedness. As you navigate this journey, you not only undergo personal evolution, but contribute to the evolution of humanity and the planet itself. The fifth dimension is both a destination and a path, an elevated state of being, and a call to embody your true, awakened selves. It's an invitation to embrace the fullness of life, to dance with the cosmic rhythms of existence, and to co-create a world that resonates with the harmonious frequencies of the heart. Share your thoughts and experiences with the fifth dimension. We would love to hear from you in the comments below. As you like, share, and subscribe, you are also sending out a ripple effect of love and light into the world. You are helping to raise the collective vibration and to bring about the ascension of all beings. Thank you for being a part of this beautiful journey.